This 9th floor Gulf front condo in Key Towers South on Lido Key offers a rare opportunity to spend your winter directly on the beach at one of the lowest rates of its kind. This spacious open concept condo sits directly on the Gulf of Mexico with unobstructed west-facing views from the 9th floor. Inside, the living area is fully furnished and designed for comfortable coastal living. The primary suite is a private retreat, complete with generous closet space and a full en-suite bath. A separate guest bedroom and bathroom ensure privacy and comfort for guests. The kitchen includes granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and is fully stocked with cookware, dinnerware, and all the essentials you'll need to feel at home during your stay. There's also a dedicated office or den. The layout supports both entertaining and downtime, perfect for a couple or visiting guests. The highlight of the home is the enclosed Gulf front balcony, a bright and breezy extension of the living room where you can enjoy coffee at sunrise and cocktails at sunset. Key Towers South offers recently renovated amenities, including an updated lobby and social lounge, a fitness center, sauna and shower facilities, bike storage, and a Gulf front pool and lounge deck with truly unforgettable sunset views. Located just a quarter mile from South Lido Park, 1 mile from St. Armand Circle, and 4 miles to downtown Sarasota, this unit gives you easy access to the best of the Gulf Coast. Public beaches, shopping, dining, and arts are all within reach. And for easy transportation, the free Bay Runner trolley stops nearby, which is perfect for exploring without a car. This is a rare chance to lease a true Gulfront condo on Lido Key at a fantastic rate. If you're ready to reserve your spot in this beachfront escape, get in touch today.